Hello friends, today we are going to learn about addition. Already I have explained about addition, the concept of addition. Addition is nothing but when you add two numbers and you find the total, right? It is something that you add, something you add to something else. Or you can say addition is finding how many items you have in all. Okay, and how you find addition in particular, like some word problems also. There are the words like plus, total, together. All these things shows that you need to do addition there. Okay, this is how you find. Now for addition is the one arithmetic operation where you need two numbers. Okay, you need two numbers and the result you find, like you will find the result after performing the addition operation, and that two numbers are called addends. So already I have explained how to go about it. Just I will solve some more examples on it. Okay, so I'll take examples from your book. Just write the example. I told you how to go about it. See, the way is, first you will write all place values. This will be your first step. You are going to write all the place values first. That is from starting from ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. After writing this place values, you will write the given sum. I'll take the example from first sum. That is, I will start writing from ones place. That is 1, 3, 8, 8, 2, 4, 5, 0, 1, 7. Before starting with this actual sum, just wanted to tell you that when it is 1 to 1 or 1 digit or 2 digits, it is very easy to add, right? Because it is very simple. You can verify also by like counting. But when it is comes like to larger numbers, that is 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit, it is hardly difficult to verify by counting. So you need to compute it well. So how to go about it? I told you, the first write the place values. Below that you will copy the sum. Ones below the ones, tens below the tens, hundred below the hundred, followed by hundred, thousands followed by thousands, 10,000s by 10,000. This is my step done. Now I will start adding the numbers from right. I'll go to right. First I take ones place. Now because of place values, now I got the column. So column wise I will go and addition. Now here I have only two numbers and easy it is. So I can add 1 plus 4. I will get 5. Okay, as I got only one number, so there is a place for only one number, so I can write there. Now moving ahead, in tens place I got 3 and 5, so again I will add 3 plus 5. I will get 8. I will write 8. Then coming to 100, I have 8 here and 0 here, so 8 plus 0 I will get again 8. Coming to thousands place, I have 8 here and 1. After adding 8 to 1, I will get 9. Now coming to 10,000's place, after adding 2 to 7, I will get 9. So, when after adding 28,831 to 71,054, I will get 99,885. So, this was very easy, as only I got the answer in one digit. See, after adding these two numbers, I got the answer in one digit. Here also one digit. Here also one digit. So when your answer is one digit, it is very easy. But when what will be the condition when if you will get the answer here in two digits? That we will see. For that, I will solve another sum. I'll write the numbers. You will also start from ones. 6, 3, 8, 5, 2. The next number is 5, 3, 7, 9 and 3. Now here, if you notice, same addition is there and here also you will be starting with the ones place only from right side of the sum. So I'll go ahead. See ones place, 6 plus 5, what is the answer? 11, right? But as I told you, now it is 11, so it is 2 digits and I have placed for only 1 digit. What I will do? I will write, I got the answer as 11, right? So I will write this 1 over here and I will carry this 1 to tens place. Got it? Why I have done this? Because I have placed for only 1 digit and I got 2 digit for as an answer. So I have copied to tens place. Got it? Now moving ahead, 1 plus 3 plus 3. What will be the answer? 7. So I will write here 7. Coming forward, 8 to 7, 8 plus 7, I will get, what is the answer? 15. So again it is 2 digit number. So what I will do now? Again I will write, this is my answer, that is again 2 digits. So I will write 5, because as I have only 1 place, I will write 5 over here and I will carry this 1 to the next place value, that is 1000. Got it? Now 1 plus 5 plus 9, what is the answer? 15, right? So I will, same procedure I will follow till I get carry. Now 5 I will write over here and I will carry 1 over here. Now my answer will be for this 10,000's place, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. So I got, after adding 25,836 to 39,735, I got 65,571. So have you noticed difference between two sum whatever I have solved? Earlier was the addition of each column was only 1, you are getting only 1 digit, and here in this the second sum what I have solved, you are getting the addition as 2 digits. So whenever you will get the addition of column or a particular column, you will get the 1 digit, that is called without regrouping. Addition is of without regrouping. Okay, why? Because it is a simple addition, you are not carrying anything, you are not borrowing anything here, so it is a simple addition, you are not regrouping, you are not carrying over to the next place value. But when you are carrying to the next place value, it is called with regrouping. Okay, so we will solve one more example. So I have solved 5 digit number. Now we will take one more example of 6 digit number. See, without regrouping is very much easy. The only problem is with regrouping. So we will more focus on with regrouping. Okay. So I'll take one more example from 6 digit addition. That is 6, 3, 1, 9, 8, 2. The next number is, you always start with ones, 4, 8, 5, 1, 2 and 6. So I have written the sum. Now I will go ahead with the addition. See, first I will start with ones. Again 6 plus 4, what is the answer? 10. See, again you are getting in 2 digits. So I will write here 10. I will write the digit which is at ones place, 0 over here, and I will carry this 1 to the next place value, that is tens. Now moving ahead, again 8 plus 3 plus 1, what is the answer? 12. So I will write like this 2. So 2 is at ones place, so I will write 2 here and 1 will go to 100 place. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 plus 5, what is the answer? 7. So no need to carry now because you are getting in 1 digit. So you have only one place, so you will write over here 7. Moving to next thousands place value. 9 plus 1, again you are getting 10. So here 10, what you will do now? 0 you will write over here and 1 you will carry to next place value. Now 1 plus 8 plus 2, what will be the answer? 11, right? Again here also you are getting answer in 2 digits. So here also you will follow the same logic. You will write this ones at this column, that is 10,000, and you will carry 1 in the lakhs column. Now again carry this, again count this, 6 plus 2 plus 1, what is the answer? 9, right? So you will write 9. This is very easy because it is, you are getting an answer in 1 digit. So this is how you are going to solve the addition of large numbers. So you, mainly this is of the 2 types, that is with regrouping and without regrouping. Thank you for listening.